In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Mailchimp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Okay, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your browser. Go ahead and type in the Mailchimp website address. Once you're there, log in to your account. You can do this by entering your email address and password. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is the central hub for all your Mailchimp activities. Now that you're in your dashboard, let's move on to the next step. Look up at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or possibly your name. This is your profile menu. Go ahead and click on it. Don't worry if you're not sure which icon is yours. It's usually a little circle that represents your account. Once you click on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you're going to look for the language setting. This is typically the first or one of the first options you see, and it often displays your current language, which is usually set to US English by default, especially if you're just starting out. Now click on that language setting. This will open up a selection of languages that you can choose from. Mailchimp supports a variety of languages, so you'll have some good options to pick from. Go ahead and browse through the available languages. Whether you're looking for Spanish, French, German, or another language, take your time to find the one that suits you best. Once you've made your selection, click on your preferred language. After you click it, you won't need to do anything manually. Mailchimp will automatically update itself. The text across the interface will change according to the language you've selected. This change happens instantly, so you can immediately start navigating Mailchimp in your preferred language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language settings in Mailchimp. Now you can fully enjoy and utilize the platform in a way that feels comfortable for you. Remember, if you ever need to change your language again, you can follow the same steps. Just log in, go to your profile menu, access the language setting, select the language you want, and it'll change right away. It's a quick and simple process, but a really helpful one, especially if you're working with a diverse audience or team. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made navigating Mailchimp a bit easier for you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing so you can stay updated on all my latest content. And don't forget to like the video to let me know you